Hi and welcome back. Today we want to talk about the plurals of US words, that is words whose ending is US. As you can see, all of the words here, it is US, that they have each US in the end. So let's see. The plural of words ending in US is usually made by adding I. That is, it is possible you have a word whose end is US, so you change the US to I. You have the one that you add ES to the US, or you change the US to I. And you have the type that you just add ES to the word. First, changing the US to I, or adding ES to the US, or changing the US to I, or adding ES to the US. Are you ready for the examples? Here we go. Alumnus, alumnus, alumnus. The plural is alumni, alumni, alumni. Alveolus, alveolus, alveolus. The plural alveoli, 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 alveoli. Or you can pronounce it as alveoli, alveoli, alveoli. Alveoli, correct. Alveoli, correct. Radius, radii, radius, radii. Locus, locus, loci, loci, loci. Bronchus, bronchus, bronchi, bronchi. Staphylococcus, staphylococcus, staphylococci, staphylococci, staphylococci. More examples. Syllabus, syllabus, syllabuses, syllabuses, or syllabi, syllabi. You say syllabuses or syllabi, correct. Fungus, fungus, funguses, funguses, or fungi, fungi. Listen carefully. You can say fungi, you can read it as fungi or fungi, 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 or fungi. Three sounds for F-U-N-G-I, fungi, fungi, or fungi. Next, focus, focuses, or foci, foci, sci, cactus, cactus, cactuses, cactuses, or cacti, 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 thesaurus, thesaurus, thesauruses, thesauruses, or thesauri, thesauri, thesauri. Don't say thesaurus or thesaurus, no, but thesaurus. Next word, brontosaurus, brontosaurus, brontosauruses, brontosauruses, or brontosauri, brontosauri, brontosauri. You need more examples? Let's have more. Octopus, octopus, octopuses, octopuses, or octopi, octopi. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus, hippopotamuses, 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 or hippopotami, hippopotami, hippopotami. But don't say hippopotamus, hippopotamus. That is wrong, please. You better say hippopotamus, not hippopotamus. Hippopotamus, hippopotamuses, hippopotami. Crocus, crocuses, crocuses. Lotus, lotuses, lotuses. Apparatus, apparatus, apparatuses, apparatuses, or apparatus. So this one, you can use apparatuses and you can use apparatus, the singular apparatus, the plural apparatus, but do not say apparatus, apparatus. It is wrong. You better say apparatus, apparatus. Census, censuses, censuses. You need more examples? Let's have more. Virus, virus, viruses, viruses. Plus, plus, pluses, pluses. Minus, minus, minuses, minuses. Then this is Cyprus, Cyprus. It is a name of a country, so we don't say Cyprus or something like that. This is a name of a country, followed by Venus. Venus is a name or is one of the planets, Venus. So we don't talk about the plural. is just a name, proper name of a planet. And do not say Venus. Don't say Venus. Better Venus. And the last for today, that is humus. Humus. And this is uncountable. Uncountable. So we can say words ending in US. You change the US to I for some words. Some you add ES to the US, or correct, or you change the US to I. Either you use is correct, or you have those that you just add ES to the US, correct, and you have words that have US but are uncountable, and you have, it's possible you have words, proper names ending in US. I hope that was useful and great. Thanks for now. Until next time. Hi, Anu.